something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you feel the hole?
Michael Drake won't come on my hand. I don't know nothing about Zodiac signs.
Bitch. He going off like I grew up with two little parents and then my dad left her. The table and using it. Yes. But I got the best signs, so it doesn't really matter.
You got signs too.
Sign what?
I'm gonna just hold the camera. Michael Drake. Bitch ass.
That took too long.
Too long?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh,
What's the matter?
it's cold.
I ain't wearing no double shirt today.
Huh?
I ain't wearing no double shirt today.
You didn't wear who today?
A double shirt.
A double shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, it's fine. I wasn't asking for your shirt.
Who?
So tonight's gonna be fun.
What's tonight?
I already told you.
I'm opening up.
Are you proud of me? I haven't been drunk since I got down here.
Yeah, that's good. I'm proud of you.
I've been fried though.
Let's go like 3 more days.
No, after today, then I won't drink after.
We could go like she could go like 3 more days.
I can, but where's the fun in that? There's no fun in that.
It's literally fun, bro. You gotta find excitement without using drugs or a substance or something like that.
He's being so weird right now.
How's that?
Stop being weird. Stop being weird, because you're trying to pay me out to be like some type of like
Bro, there's nothing.
or something.
Bro, you're good. You're not. It's no. Bro, I say this to Joe too.
He's speaking fast. Okay, now the chat's approved. All right, we get it. All right. Don't overthink it, sister.
I'm about to, bro. Why would I could still buy her flowers, but I'm about to grow flowers to get to her.
You said what?
I'm about to grow some flowers to get to you. I'm gonna grow you some vegetables. I'm gonna grow you some tomatoes. You know, some jalapenos, cause you know you like spicy food and shit.
That's so thoughtful.
Some cilantro, cause you know that's for the tacos.
And cause I'm Mexican.
What? What? What?
That is really interesting. It really smart. You can like control the movement.
Wait, chat. Is a Chanel bag better than is a MCM bag better than a Chanel bag? Or is the Chanel bag better than an MCM bag?
She don't want nonchalant nigga. She want nigga that's nonchalant. Chalant around this motherfucker. I don't want no nonchalant nigga. Get the chalant when you get around me.
I'm taking the fattest shit when I get to your
Dang, MCM bags is actually tough though, bro. Them shits are tough. Oh, but she already got that though. She don't know that she not getting that to Christmas. Like,
Oh, this still going up?
huh?
I'll put the live view.
But sometimes, you know, I'm hella delusional. I might buy that shit for her next week. You know? We got it.
This is me. Nothing like. Swear.
Yeah. It's not.
I want to.
Yeah, we need that.
Yo, somebody delete that. Delete that right now. Delete that right now. Delete that. What's wrong? Like there's $2 in the yellow stickers were out of it.
You can give me 2 of these. Wait, I want this one and then you can do it.
Number 1, and she's gonna pick one.
We're giving you that. They're not gonna give you that.
Huh?
They're not gonna give you that.
They're not gonna give it back?
No, they're not giving you that.
I mean, she combined it. We're y'all just trying to eat. You got to
You gotta pick one.
But she can buy those.
I mean, she asked me if she should buy it, but she's gonna.
This is my first time. But it's pink.
Do you go where you're from?
Am I who?
And you're like, you go to the range where you're from?
No. This is my first time.
Oh, I would buy those.
But they're pink.
Get them on Amazon. They'll be cheap.
Chat? What should I do? No? Okay.
Them the baby ones anyway. They say babies on them.
Which you want number one and which one?
Number one, and then you look at
Can I get this one?
Number 4.
Yeah. It looks cooler.
And then what ammo will you do?
I need 300 blackout and 9mm.
Y'all are so weird and lame. Like, I swear.
Some aid, some Don, some aid, some Don, some aid.
Like, one of my comments telling me, I was like, everybody don't like that.
Chat, this should be like very interesting.
Which y'all on Twitch or TikTok?
Twitch.
Twitch. Y'all, let me make sure I'm gonna look cute.
Yo, you know what's crazy? I had ammo at home too.
Oh, dude, you have a whole box.
A whole box.
Is that all you needed?
Yeah.
Can y'all put y'all's mag? The mag to y'all's gun in there. Y'all have a gun or y'all renting one?
No, it's over my bag.
Yeah, the magazine.
Is it there?
And I need you to make sure that it's not one in the head either.
This is the magazine.
So when niggas be going on hits and runs, why do they never wear these?
Yeah, that's like.
Niggas be wearing ski masks when they go on hits. They used to be wearing these. Right? Instead of ski mask.
Is that on you guys?
Yeah.
It's gonna be 115.66, or you paying cash or card?
Card.
Who got time for that? You
If you're
gotta,
tapping,
you gotta
make sure you're in there credit to go on
put these
debit, okay?
on.
But you
bet.
have the choice to insert.
Okay.
And then
With your receipt.
No.
Alright, y'all do is finish your eyes and ears on before going to credit.
y'all have to shoot it like this.
Hold on, chat. Chat, I got y'all. Alright.
You don't go like that. They go like. I'm trying to
I
practice
can't
how to
hear
shoot. I'm
shit.
Oh, you need these.
Like the studio. Look. I'm in the fucking studio. What the glasses? Hold on, wait. Y'all, the outfit just got way more better. Hold on.
Alright, chat. Chat, y'all got all y'all equipment too, bro.
Oh, they could see us. Okay. If y'all see me doing this, or this,
Just
or
make
this.
sure you point it towards the target. That
Yeah.
Don't have that gun in your hand.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what you was doing?
This.
Alright, come on.
It's not getting that.
When you go in, the second door won't open until this one is
Mel.
okay?
Yo.
Is Joe good?
What do you mean it's Joe good? He getting a massage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
Katie, I need
I don't know where you getting a massage at. If you're trying to ask for him to get a massage, you're interrupting his like
because I'm
Crazy
late.
shit he got going on.
I need
No, I wasn't like that, nigga. I'm so I'm tripping. Am I off the loop?
Yeah, you're out the loop. He getting a massage.
Okay, alright. Hey, where you at?
I'm at the gun range with Layla.
Oh, alright, baby.
You gotta look.
Yeah, Mel, so you better not piss me off. And next time you get an argument, you better get your ass away from me because I'm gonna be practicing today, little nigga.
You gotta
I'll be practicing today.
do your stance.
My stance?
Shit tight.
Okay. There you go. Where your blick? How your gun sound? How your gun sound?
Yes. I'm ready.
Alright, let me watch your drink.
Alright.
Y'all, I done went to the got locked up and at the shooting range all in less than 30 days. What is life?
I'm not even supposed to be shooting guns.
You're not?
No.
I'm committing a crime with you right now?
This is a crime.
I literally can't commit a crime. My probation officer literally said I could go to jail.
Oh.
Oh shit, I think I got TikTok.
Oh, push this. What's up, bro? What's up, man? How you feeling, man? I don't know where our range was at. Man.
I can pick anyone.
You ready?
No, now I'm not ready.
This is where the magic happens.
No, now I'm scared. Like I do this for real. Like I have to do this like for real. Like.
Huh?
I can't hear shit.
You can't hear none? Alright, chat. This is where the magic happens. Alright, bet.
ARP Black Hawk.
I'm scared.
Why you scared? Because what?
I don't know.
Bro, you're from Chicago. She's from Chicago. Talking about she's scared. Oh, I gotta get in the back.
It's loud.
Buddy, how do you know mine?
I don't know why I thought the guns were gonna be sounding quiet.
Alright, we gotta hurry up because this shit might die.
I can't
What's
even
about
hear
that?
shit.
No, it's going like. We not. Well, now. Alright, look. You wanna go first?
No, can you go first, please?
I bet.
Because I need to see how to do it. Like, I don't know how to do this.
Ooh, why you jumping? Bro, she's from Chicago. She done heard grenades, all type of shit.
Y'all sitting right here. Don't scared. Oh, God.
Oh, what are you doing?
I got staples in there.
Oh, that's what you need that for. You okay? Can you do it?
Oh, this different. I've never seen that.
Nah, that's not that way. Nah, I'm trolling.
Oh, okay.
That's 10 feet.
Yeah, that's 10 feet. Alright, so like realistically, when you shoot somebody, like it's gonna be like around like right here or it's further. Hello. Yo, she got me crying, God. Yo.
Don't shoot my phone, okay?
Don't shoot your phone? Alright, chat. What should we go with first? Chat? 300 blackout. Damn. Oh shit.
Oh, that's all you have to say. Come on. Let's go through it. I ain't scared no more. I'm ready. I'm ready. I got it in my head who I'm envisioning. Bitch, I ain't scared no more. We gotta get this shit over with tonight. By tonight.
Alright, this whole row yours.
This row?
Oh, now this a whole this something.
Wait, we shooting that one? Oh, okay.
But it's not like these bullets, it's not. Nah, this is how you load it. How you try to look. You gotta push it. There you go. There you go. Down.
Yay, I'm doing it. I could never go to the army. What the fuck?
You gotta do it fast.
You mean you gotta do this shit fast in the
Fast
army?
as hell. If you don't hurry up, you're gonna be dead. Oh, bro, you gotta go faster. Go faster. Go faster.
No.
Yo, you dropped the bullets. Niggas done threw a bomb at us already. Come on, hurry up, come on, faster, faster, or we dead. You jamming it. You jam. It's jammed.
Wait, I'm getting it in there. That's enough. It can't fit no more. The more go in.
Yeah. They would have threw a shrapnel bomb at us, her dumb ass. We would have been dead.
No, we wouldn't have. We would have did it. We would have been alive.
No, look. This is the easier way, look. Right? Let me teach you. Look. You gotta feel it. Don't push it too far.
So, wait, so I just have to feel like I don't have to look at it. Like that one thing that I don't have to look at, like I can just feel and then like,
What one thing you just feel?
no, like you know, like when you're cooking and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, like sometimes you don't gotta look, like you just, yep.
You don't even gotta look to put it in.
More? You gotta. Oh, that's for the other gun.
This for the other gun.
Okay.
We took.
Hey.
We up a free Gen 5 off Milk. We took his gun.
I took his gun. The black one?
Free Gen. Free Gen. It's like, nah, let me stop trolling.
Cause I'm a lady. I need a driller.
Why is your father?
I don't trust no man without no blicky. Cause when shit gets sticky, where the fuck that blicky at? Yeah. Why you ain't got no blicky, boy? Blicky, blick some.
If you love me, oh hey, blitz some, blitz some, blitz some.
You better be shooting at the target and not everything else.
Ooh,
You. Wait, let me do one.
you gonna do it? You gonna do it yourself?
All of those fit in there? All of these fit? That's why they be like, boom, boom. Wait, tossing. That's what it's called. That's why they be tossing at people?
Alright, we gotta move all this shit though.
Be calm. Let's do it. Okay.
This is shell casing. This is what the bullet come out.
When it come out.
You good?
Yes.
You wanna hold hands?
Imagine being shot. Oh my God, what the fuck? Oh, they said your cameraman looking cute, KB. Go ahead, KB. Hey, KP.
They gotta be sexy. I bet. We're gonna shoot this first.
Okay, you shoot it first. I
you
gotta
gotta-
see if it make you move back.
You gotta step back some. And you gotta move this.
Yeah. You finna watch one.
Come on.
Oh my God, they're literally gonna die.
Come on.
I'm scared.
I don't got that many bullets, so that's why I only shot a little.
Yo.
Look. Hey, look, how should I put this? Look, put it right here.
Tomorrow, I'm scared.
This shit gonna pop right there.
I'm scared.
Look.
Y'all need a tripod.
Now you good. It's gonna be good.
Y'all, I'm scared.
This is a good angle.
Y'all, I'm literally scared right now. Why do we have to do the big one first?
Because it's this. I look. How this run. This here is gonna be better than this. This is smaller, so when the bullet come out of it, it's gonna be a bigger like explosion than this. It's gonna take longer to explode. So this gonna be better than this. This gonna bring your hand back like this. This one you just gotta hold.
I'm scared.
Well, you gonna be able to hold this too or not?
From the rack, by the way.
Now you dead ass from the rack.
Alright, come on.
They're from the rack.
Okay, come on.
I look. Don't put your finger in the thing. Look, you gonna hold it like this, and you feel it?
Is it gonna like move me?
It's
back?
gonna move you. It's gonna move
Oh
you.
my God.
Look, come on. Finger like that. Okay.
Wait, but wait, where am I
You're
supposed
gonna hold your hand like this.
But what am I supposed to shoot?
You're gonna see. Look, you gotta put this in here. You see this?
But what
This
if
pocket?
it like...
You gotta
Oh my
hold
God,
it. No. Put your hand like that. Don't put your hand in there.
Okay.
Keep your shit like this. Look, you feel this?
Yes, I feel it. And I feel like it's gonna hit
You
me.
gotta press it.
Hey, Cloudy,
Oh
what the
my-
hell?
are you gonna
Like,
move?
you gotta hold it. Yeah. No. I gotta move.
You have to move?
Yes.
Oh.
You gotta
Wait.
hold, bro. You gotta hold it.
I am.
You have to hold it.
I'm holding it.
All right, look. Look, it's going. It's gonna.
Oh my God.
You're gonna push back your arm.
It's gonna hurt.
See, look. You gotta push it into your. It's a pocket right here.
I'm irritated.
So
Love
if you don't, it's gonna move.
Alright,
It's gonna fly back like this.
Oh my. Okay.
I mean, you could hold it like this if you want.
I can? And what's gonna happen?
Nothing. Look.
My-
Look. More here. Look.
Okay, can I hold it like that?
Yeah. Go ahead. Come on.
Okay. Now where do I hold it at again?
Put your hand like this.
Okay.
Just like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you're ready to shoot, put it in there.
I
Hold it
can-
out. Hold, bro. Please grab that shit. Oh God, please grab that shit.
Wait, is the whole thing gonna move?
Bro, no. It's not gonna move.
I'm scared.
Don't, bro. Alright. When you're ready to shoot, put your finger on the trigger.
Why are you scared?
Because I want you to point the gun this way. Look, don't ever point the gun nowhere else. Point straight.
Okay. I'm not gonna point it at y'all.
No, no. Alright, look, go. Go.
Bro, leave me alone.
Alright.
Okay. Wait, let me move it away from my face.
Yo,
I'm scared.
Bro, pull the trigger.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's not that bad.
No.
Hold on, y'all. Oh, wait, I'm trying to hit the orange target. Oh my god, I'm not even hitting your face.
You gotta aim.
Oh! You didn't hit that orange.
Nah, I didn't. Blatantly hit the orange.
Wait, I'm gonna try to hit the other one.
Now you did good. You hit the orange. Ooh, you hit the neck. That's it?
I can do it again?
You still got more. Just empty it out. Like, try to go bad. That's it.
Can you put more in here?
Nah, we're gonna use this one.
Okay. Yeah, that was actually fun!
Hey!
That was so fun!
I can't even see.
Oh my god, yo, that was actually fun!
Hey!
Now I'm ready for the shoot out, yeah. Okay, he doing too much.
Ooh! I'm telling you, I'm going. I bet you good. Come on.
I'm ready now. Like, now I'm not even scared no more. Good job. So, what's this called?
This is a I don't know what block it is.
Will I hold it like the last one? Do I hold it like that?
Yeah, hold it like
extra hard?
look. Like your hand like this, and then 3 fingers here. I mean, you can hold it like this. Other finger, like 4. This one gonna move more though. If you don't hold, if you push it forward, it's gonna move back.
So push it forward when I
Push it forward when you shoot.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Can somebody take a picture? I'm here. Wait. Oh, I'm scared.
You got bullet.
Wait. Am I even hitting this one? Wait. Oh, I can't do that.
Yo.
I think that's it.
No, it's more.
It's
Kevin,
more?
you want to shoot?
Yeah, I'll shoot one.
Yeah, Katie, go ahead.
So, like, bullet with the bullet.
You're not like you can just do it yourself. Hold on, I'm gonna hold it. My son KP. Now you did good.
I did?
Yeah, for your first time, you did good.
Wait, can I still shoot that one?
Oh nah, we did. You should have told me. I mean, you could just take this one. This yours. You
Okay.
good. Like you see all them bullets in the head, you did all that. See that?
I did that?
Yeah.
For real?
Uh huh. All that bullets in the head was you. You did good. I'm proud of you.
Y'all finna go take that, put that on my wall. And then next time somebody kiss me off, I'm sure you wanna play with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All they gonna do is see this video and they know not to play with
Right,
you.
they gonna know. They gonna know.
Look. One thing I say though, you can't play around with a gun though. Like, this is very like.
This is very serious.
It's very no like trigger finger discipline.
Okay.
No fingers in the trigger unless you like ready to actually end somebody's life.
Okay. Wait, there's more bullets.
Huh? My bad. I said what? What you said? What, KB? What'd you say?
Can I fill this up?
Yeah, you good.
Yo, this shit.
Honestly, I was scared, but like
It's actually
scared
like
anymore.
once you pull it vert one time, you get adrenaline, and then
yeah,
you
you
good.
just keep wanting to do it.
But
That's why.
when you aiming though, you supposed to like breathe in, and then breathe out, and then shoot.
And then shoot.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's mean your body is at the like. I forgot that word my sergeant has it. It's like your body's not moving.
Did you like my pictures on Instagram?
I didn't even get on Instagram today.
Oh.
I'ma like it when we get here though.
Okay.
My son KP. It's New York.
They said, okay, KB.
Hot as hell though.
WKP. I'm WKB. Sorry, y'all, sorry.
Yo, niggas done put hella holes in that head.
Nah, that's all head. Nah, you did all of that though. You wanna go again?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna do it for you.
I gotta tell TikTok I'm not scared no more. Oh God, TikTok, I'm not scared no more. I just shot 2 different guns. I'm not scared no more. Oh my grandma, I see why y'all lads be outside slamming. I'm gonna join y'all in a minute. Okay, too far. Too far. No, but seriously, like, I actually did do that. We all still here.
Show them your thing.
Yeah.
You got all head taps.
Wait, hold on. Y'all, so we all like shouting this thing, but as y'all can see, like, we did pretty good.
I'm gonna let her go. I'm really experienced with this shit, gang. Like, it's like my second home. I bet you good. I'm holding it. Go ahead.
Here,
Alright, show them how you hold your blicky.
Get that stuff.
Wait, how do you aim though? Like, how do you, like, there's no right way to
Alright, look,
aim?
I'm gonna show you. Alright, look, you see this? Center this piece with this little white dot. You can put it in the middle.
I'm trying to put it in the middle. No. Wait. If y'all see a little hole at the bottom, that's what I did.
Wait, you shot a nigga's stomach.
No, I'm trying to shoot at the orange part in the stomach. I did it!
Oh, she hit that one.
Head tap.
Wait, did she do? That nigga in the
Well, I think I hit it almost like
You done?
my work.
That's it?
You probably got like 50.
Alright, chat. That concludes the day. It's good. I ain't
This was
gonna lie.
fun.
Ah.
Can you get the paper?
Oh, yeah. You did good. Look at the paper, chat.
I'm not shooting with one hand. My motherfucking hand gonna fall off. We actually did so good.
Nah, it's no way. Yo, Mikey, my friend Mikey, deadass did worse than you. And like you, look, you did good. You did all this for her.
And that one.
Getting down here. These is like crucial shit right here. This is breaking wrists up, healing, what the fuck? Pushing, recoil. Oh, it tells you what happens. What you need to do. What's your paper?
Thanks. Wait, can I touch the hole? Freaky bitches, no stop. Oh.
I'm for all this in the bag.
Oh yeah. I don't even know how you. This bag gonna stay open. I need to take this one. That's turd.
She talking about come pick y'all homie up.
Stepping on him. Come pick y'all homie up.
That nigga dead.
That nigga dead. Come pick y'all homie up. Damn. I see why rappers keep rapping.
Why they dead ass?
Spit that nigga block, shot his ass 30 times. Bump, 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 bump. Like that shit like.
Now you feel like you could dead ass go slide.
I could go slide now. Like what?
Now let's go slide.
Now I just need a ski mask. Like I don't even need nothing else. Fuck the glasses. Fuck the head muffins. What did I say? Headshot, headshot, headshot. Shout out to that. See that nigga that man. Now I gotta say this again.
Now we fucking ears.
Yo, that shit
blood.
actually hurt your ears. Yo, gang, imagine we're in this shit all day. Shooting at, yeah, we used to be shooting at the range like 12 hours, gang, till like nighttime, all day long, shooting like thousands of rounds. Yes, thousands of rounds all day long.
That looks like so fun.
They think it, you get tired of it because we had to test out new guns and all type of shit.
You gotta take it out?
Yeah.
Oh. You can keep the glasses, just give me the headphones.
Okay.
No, you're all
So who's over there like?
Yes, I'm doing
Yeah. Chat, how did she do? How did she do? How did she do? I think she did good.
it.
Oh, thank you.
Feel like you. You know what I'm feeling like now?
What?
Casamigos.
Casamigos? I'm feeling like Casamigos. Fuck it. Ah, come on. Man, this door is light as hell.
Y'all, he done fucked up. Like,
Everyone is alive. That's all that matters. We're good. Everybody made it out alive. Oh, bro. After that picture, that you had said was
Oh,
in the
yeah.
crib, yeah. Everybody made it out alive, though. We're good.
well, at least I could say I shot two some guns before.
Oh, they say something wrong with the mic.
Yeah, at
Like
least
the sound?
I don't know.
Girl, this motherfucker fall out or blow out your hand. Blow out who hand? Blow out who hand? What?
Damn. I unplugged it.
I think
Just unplug it.
Damn.
Gang, I think it do it in certain areas, gang.
Wait, what's the? Oh, it's at 23.
This is at 23%?
No, it was at 23,000. This at like 61%.
So I think it really do that shit in area, like certain areas, cause like inside that shit was good. Oh, plug it back in and then change it. You see? See this?
Oh, into the middle?
Yeah. She worked.
No, it was at 23,000. This at like. Oh, so good. Oh no, that's the camera.
Nah, it's still static. Let's take it out. The camera's still there.
The camera sound good though. They just probably couldn't hear her. I don't wanna. Short as shit. I ain't wanna like.
You said what? Short?
Yeah, short as shit.
Oh, yeah. I mean, this like shit. She wear that shit outside. Shit. Joe just paid $400 for a massage. Dang, that shit. You know how much that shit costs in Japan? Not even $20. Unrealistic. No. No. Nah, not even. Yo, Chad, you remember that lady I brought home? That lady that came to my crib and gave me a massage? That shit was like $100.
What bitch you gave a massage to?
No, a girl. No. I had a
Spit that shit out, nigga.
I had a professional.
Spit that shit out, nigga.
I had a professional massager come to my house and give me a massage while I was in Japan.
She wasn't no fucking professional.
Yeah, she was. I swear. I literally got her like off of like a what's that shit? Like off Facebook.
The fucking sidewalk.
No, off Facebook.
Okay.
I bet. Well, now I gotta figure out.
Wait, what did we shoot?
We shot a Glock 19.
Okay, I got to my mom. That was it.
Yeah, and that Glock 19 and a 300 blackout ARP. Woo! I did not get no fucking happy ending, nigga. Stop lying. How I get a happy ending on stream? Dumbass nigga.
Y'all better tell Mario he better be careful, cause I know how to shoot now. So tell that nigga be careful.
Who taught you that?
For real.
Hey,
You took their glasses?
We supposed to. You get your shit back?
I thought we were supposed to give them back.
No way you put them back in there. You're supposed to keep them.
That's why they told me that in the comments?
Yeah.
Fuck. It's okay.
Alright, let's go to
The liquor store.
Home Depot.
Oh, Home Depot and the liquor store.
What's at Home Depot?
I'm about to make a garden.
Oh yeah, you're right.
We're gonna make plants and like we're gonna like plant something. I'm gonna grow you some shit. I don't know what the fuck. Just doing shit.
I say switch to phone.
To the phone? Yeah, I'm about to switch to the phone. Oh, let's put this shit back.
Oh shit.
Oh, you got this room?
Nah, I got one. I'm just about to
Jada, please. All that negative energy, I don't want to hear that right now. That negative energy. Bitch, you want me to feed off?
We better be having fun. I have fun around here. I like teaching. Teaching shit. Like I'm a teacher. Everything I know. Everything.
Exactly. First ISIS, that bitch is with.
Thomas, liquor store first, no shade.
Oh, they say I look like Nikki a little. Like, are they like gassing my head?